I'm so excited to be sharing with you 3 little girls' hairstyles that take less than 3 minutes. So this is perfect for those busy mornings on the go, and I cannot wait to share these really simple but very cute hairstyles with you. So first I start off with brushing their hair. I wet it with just a spray bottle of water. And this first style is going to be the half up pony. This is really, really simple. All I do is separate out the top portion of hair. I like to leave a few strands close to their face, not too much though, otherwise it bothers them, especially the little ones, but a little bit to frame their face, and then I smooth out the top layer of hair and then just tie it off with a clear elastic. And this is really, really simple, but I feel like it adds a lot of dimension to their hair. You can add a little bow there at the top, and it's the perfect, sweet little hairstyle. Next, I'm sharing the triple messy bun. This hairstyle is so much fun and really, really simple to do. So all I do is section out their hair into 3 pieces, and I will pull back all the hair in that piece and just tie it into a messy bun. I use the little strands that are hanging out. I just tuck them in underneath, but nothing too perfect. You want this to look kind of messy. I think that adds to the hairstyle. And so I will section off the next piece, tie that into a messy bun, and then what I'll do is when I'm all done, I will then take any last little strands and try to make sure that they are tied up into the rubber bands, and I can stretch out the messy buns. I want it to look kind of like one big giant bun in the back. So I'll play around with it for a little while to make sure I get it perfect, but even if it's not perfect, that's okay. I add a little clip on the top just to add a little bit of dimension. I love these clips from LEMA Designs. They're so perfect, and if you needed to, you could even add in a bobby pin to secure the buns. So this next style is the twisted bun. This is so incredibly simple. I start off with just pulling their hair back into a simple pony. Now what you want to do, which I totally forgot to do here, is make it a really loose pony. So I went ahead and just loosened up the pony a little bit, but you can start off by just tying it a little lower, further away from their head. And then you're going to use your fingers to create a hole on the head side of the rubber band, and then you're going to flip the hair through, and then you're going to continue to do this. You could leave it just with one pass through. I think that looks really cute too, but for this style we're just going to keep pushing it through until we create a little bun in the back. And then what I'll do is I'll take a bobby pin and I'll tie off the little strands that are poking out into the back of the bun, and that's it, a simple hairstyle, and I just attach a bow to finish it off. These are the products that I've used for these hairstyles. It's just a wet brush, a spray bottle of water, and some clips.